Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add marketing button by using Spectra page builder. So now I want to add on this page test 2, and here I want to edit this page. Before adding button I need to add a new container. So on the left corner here you can see container, just you can drag it here, and after that again I can go back on the plus button, then search for button. And here you can see these are the different types of button in the Spectra page builder. So now I want to drag the last one, that is called marketing button. So guys, here you can see this is button that have great design for the marketing styles. You can select the presets, and I think this one is the best. Scroll down. You can change the content and headings directly from here. For example, you want shop now. So whatever text you want to add, you can easily do that. After that you can change the description in the same way, and after that here you can see alignment options. That looks perfect. Then for the text alignment, and here you can enable disable description. Then you can link the button with any page, just you can copy any page link and add here. Then scroll down. If you want to open this button in the new window, just you can enable this option. Then scroll down, and here you can change the icon gap. Here you can see. Then you can also change the button size, icon size. Then scroll down and go to style tab. Here you can add some spacing, so whatever you want. After that here you can see typography options. You can change the font style, and also you can do the same thing for the description, as well as you can customize the icon. So if you want to change the icon color for the hover, here you can see it's working fine. And here you can change the background color for your button, for example this one. And when someone mouse over on the button, if you want to change the color on the hover, for example I want to add a black color, so that works perfectly. You can also add the border around your button, so radius is added. If you want to add the border, just you can use this option, and you can increase the width. So here you can see it will add a border. Then you can also use spacing options, padding from top, bottom, left, right. So that is basically gap. And you can also apply some animations for your button. So these are the free animation effects. To use other powerful effects, you need to upgrade this page builder.